Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I shall discuss about a phrase abjection which is related to a critical theory of analysis. Now coming to the word abjection according to Merriam-Webster dictionary means a low or downcast state, that means degradation, and it also means the act of making abject, that means humbling or rejection. Now, the term abjection literally means the state of being cast off. The term has been explored in post structuralism as that which inherently disturbs conventional identity and cultural concepts. Among the most popular interpretations of abjection is Julia Kristeva's, who elaborated the idea of abjection in her book Powers of Horror, an essay on abjection. In this book, Kristeva describes subjective horror, that means abjection, as the feeling when an individual experiences or is confronted by, both mentally and as a body, what Kristeva calls one's corporeal reality, or a breakdown in the distinction between what is self and what is other. Next, abjection prevents the absolute realization of existence, completing the course of biological, social, physical, and spiritual cycles. The best representation of this concept can be imagined as one's reaction to gazing at a human cadaver or corpse as a direct reminder of the inevitability of death. The abject is, as such, the process that separates from one's environment what is not me. Kristeva's concept of abjection is used commonly to explain in popular cultural narratives of horror and discriminatory behavior manifesting in misogyny, homophobia, and genocide. The concept of abjection builds on the traditional psychoanalytic theories of Sigmund Freud and Jacques Lacan. The abject exists accordingly somewhere between the concept of an object and the concept of the subject, representing taboo elements of the self barely separated off in the liminal space. Kristeva claims that within the boundaries of what one defines as subject, a part of oneself, and object, something that exists independently of oneself, there resides pieces that were once categorized as a part of oneself or one's identity that has since been rejected, the abject. Kristeva, in her book Powers of Horror, created a distinction in the true meaning of abjection. I am quoting Kristeva. It is thus not the lack of cleanliness or health that causes abjection, but what disturbs identity, system, and order. What does not respect borders, positions, rules, the in between, the ambiguous, the composite. From Kristeva's psychoanalytic perspective, abjection is done to the part of ourselves that we exclude, the mother. We must abject the material, the maternal, the object which has created us, in order to construct an identity. Abjection occurs on the micro level of the speaking being through their subjective dynamics, as well as on the macro level of society through language as a common and universal law. Sometimes we use rituals especially those of defilement, to attempt to maintain clear boundaries between nature and society, the semiotic and the symbolic, paradoxically both excluding and renewing contact with the object in the ritual act. The concept of abjection is often coupled and sometimes confused with the idea of the uncanny, the concept of something being unhome-like within quotation or foreign yet familiar. The abject can be uncanny in the sense that we can recognize aspects in it despite its being foreign. A corpse, having fallen out of the symbolic order, creates abjection through its uncanniness, creates a cognitive dissonance. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.